Hello kids, welcome to Happy Kids TV with a new learning. In today's class, we are going to learn about shapes. Shapes are all around us. Are you ready to learn? This is circle. It has no side. It is round. This is semicircle. It is half of the circle. Triangle. This is triangle. It has 3 sides. Rectangle. A rectangle has opposite sides equal. Square. A square has 4 sides equal. Star. It has 5 points. This is heart. Oval. This is oval. It is round but not fully. Rhombus, also known as diamond. It has 4 sides. Octagon. This is octagon. It has 8 sides. Hexagon. This is hexagon. It has 6 sides. Pentagon. This is pentagon. It has 5 sides. Now it's your turn to answer some of the question. You have to identify and tell the name of the shape. This is well done. This is triangle. What is the shape of this ball? Good job. This is circle. What can be the shape of this clock? Very good. Octagon. What is the shape of this house? Good job. This is pentagon. Can you identify the shape of this book? Excellent. Rectangle. And what about this kite? Yes, it is rhombus or diamond. Good job kids, you have done really a fantastic job. I hope you have learned a lot today. So we will meet soon with new learning. Till the time, bye bye. Have lots of fun.